Hello my friends, my Nissan Murano 2012. It's been giving me problems, and throughout the last 6 months or maybe 8, the coolant system needed some repairs. It overheated on me, and we had replaced every component there is in the coolant system: the hoses, the top hoses, the bottom hoses, the radiator, thermostat. In the last month, I think, last month, it was the temperature sensor. And every time I get something fixed, it does run. But lately, it's been giving me trouble at the start. When I try to start it, it just stays like, sounded like it's a starter or like battery alternator, but it's none of that. My mechanic had said all the time, even in the last repairs that she did, she says that it's a blown head gasket. And indeed, I had seen the reservoir, the coolant reservoir, bubbling a lot. When I come from work, I had lifted the hood just to see. There's a lot of bubbling. It doesn't make a lot of white smoke while running, but recently at the start it is. And, quite a few times to try to start until there's times that I had quit on it and I just call work and I can't go to work. So, and there's times that it takes 4 or 5 times and then it goes. So this time I'm trying case seal head gasket repair kit. I just bought it from O'Reilly at the price of $27, totaling $30. And I'm seeing videos kind of favoring this one. Now I think the instructions of this thing simply said to take the cap off and pour it and let it run. But because we've been working on this system, the system is full, so I don't think it's gonna fit right there with the liquid that I have. So I'm trying to figure out how to drain some of this liquid. And I found the drain valve of the radiator. I think I'm gonna empty the system a little bit. I'm afraid that once I pop the valve, which is this X looking like plug, just like I was expected, once I took the drain plug, started to unscrewing it, everything came out, so I couldn't stop it. So now the second step is to shake the bottle, as instructions say. Shake the bottle and empty it right here in the radiator cap without the engine running. Just after I pour everything, then I run the engine. So let me empty this bottle. This is the I already poured half, and this is the second gallon. Well, the first one was half, then this is the full gallon, but it appears that already stopped, and it feels like it's about right here where my thumb's up. I think I still had this much. So I see it right here that I'm gonna remove this. It might spill a little bit. There you go. I'm gonna put this back. Okay guys, so I emptied the radiator because it was full. The reservoir was full. I just pour the K-Seal bottle. I refill the system. It took about a gallon and a little bit more. Now I'm going to just about pick up all my mess, and then I'm gonna crank it up and follow the instructions. Be back. I started the engine already. I started it and left the cap off to see how much of a, once the system started running, see how much the level will drop. And it did drop a little bit, so I came back and refilled it a little bit. Now I feel comfortable that it's full. I'm letting it run. It's going probably in 2 minutes. And the bottle's in 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna see what happens. So the engine sounds quiet. Okay, I'm gonna let it run 3 more minutes. I'm gonna get in it and drive it for just a block or two, or going around in a circle. It's about 5 minutes already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive it for another 5 minutes. I'm test driving it right now. I forgot to mention in the video that this car has 178,612 miles already. Several things has broke down throughout the years, but not the motor, not the transmission. And this time it was just, I'm surprised that this is major. So I'm hoping to get it fixed. Okay, I think I run it, definitely I let the engine run like 5 minutes, and then I gave it another 10 minutes drive. I think I have followed instructions. So this video will continue and give testimony of the performance of K-Seal Ultimate. And later on, it's about 6 o'clock, 6 plus, like around 9, I'm gonna go and crank it again and see if what it behaves, if it goes on the first push or what. And then tomorrow morning when I head out to work. All right, we'll continue. See you later. Bye. Okay, it's been about 3 hours since I put the K-Seal. And actually when I had a problem is when I started. So let's hope that this start is normal. It did it normal, but this is the first attempt. The video will continue. Good morning. This is the morning after, and I just crank it up, and it's at the first push. It's on. So far so good. I'll try it and keep this video alive for keep showing the behavior for a week. All right, this is 5 hours later. Let's see. It's on. He didn't hesitate, he just started. Hey guys, this is Thursday. K-Seal was added Sunday evening. This is Thursday. Let's see. It's on. It's all good on Thursday. Hello, today's the 7th day of this trial of the K-Seal Ultimate product. I added 7 days ago, just exactly about this time. And all these days has been working pretty good. This car is at 178,000 miles. It's up there already for being a Nissan. And I'm just glad that this product has worked. It's gonna give me time to start looking in the market again and try to get something for the years to come. So for me, this is I don't know, probably too early to claim victory. It's a week. The product says that this is a permanent fix. I don't know how much longer this will last. So for now, thank you for watching, and let's see what's going to happen on this first push. The car is on. So as I said, hopefully this helps and give you an idea of whether you use it or not. Alrighty, well, thank you, and just keep watching my videos. Thank you. Bye. Till the next one.